just so you all know I'm not bluffing. Sorry to come back at you all so quick. Mark Hernandez, the DA, and Executive Bodyguard Services conducted an elite operation which they use my intelligence network to track down information and location of and whereabouts of somebody. And I'm going to release this so you all know I'm not bluffing. We was the one, and if Mark Hernandez or take him into special branch and SSC and debrief him, we was the one who turned Big Mike into a snitch. We did that together.
Countryman channel, biggest YouTube channel govern the world. 24/7, 44/8. We're not afraid of a man. We're not afraid of a girl. We're not afraid of no bomb, buckler, body. No mother cunt, body. No mother's cunt. Countryman rich and bad, sick and mad. The mother flagger they a bitch and fag. Ride out the young gang with big flag. Pull up, jump out of the Nissan mad. Countryman rich and bad, sick and mad. The mother flagger they a bitch and fag. Ride out the young gang with big flag. Pull up, jump out of the Nissan mad. Countryman step for the shows, hush puppy. You might see him on the news and make no copy. Him love step, him can't settle him feet. Clean goblin, I call police. Send Lucia, people in my bar for peace. Don't a Trinidad prison is a fucking beast. Fucking beast, fucking beast. Countryman rich and bad, sick and mad. The mother flagger they a bitch and fag.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
My client has endured 2 days of unrelenting questioning, interrogation. She has endured this interrogation as a suspect who has been cautioned, and in light of that ordeal she has endured, I have advised her that though she wishes to speak, this is not the time. So if you have any questions, please direct them to me. What I would say that what happened here is an outrage. It is outrageous because the Commissioner of Police was questioned not as a person from whom the officers wanted information, but she was cautioned. And we all know, or we should know, that a caution is administered to a person against whom the officer has reasonable grounds to suspect the person has committed an offense. I sat through with my junior, Mr. Warner, the interview of the Commissioner. And at the end of this interview, it was elucidly clear that there was not one drop of evidence against the Commissioner. So the burning question, which I would like answered, is who is the senior officer that authorized the arrest of the Commissioner of Police on material that did not establish grounds to suspect? And certain aspects.
How many times only hear me talk about Trinidad? Trinidad is a bumbuckler piece of work, you know. Trinidad is one dangerous blood clot country, and me not care what nobody want to say. Now, I am gonna break down this police commissioner thing, and you know, this thing is so fluid. There's so many information coming out by the minute to bumbuckler. It's hard to pinpoint it and wrap your head around it, but me, I go give you the real take on this bumbuckler. Yo, Trinidad, the most dangerous country in the world, yo. Let's go. Now, those of you who know or don't know, this lady was detained, and right off the dick, dog, the people them start say, the woman this, the woman that. But I am not saying she might not do her thing, you know. But the first information came out was that she authorized the sniper rifle. I mean, I say bumbuckler, I saw she a roll, but me I gotta be honest with the viewers and subscribers. me never want Bumbleclad do no story that's salacious that this lady did have no Bumbleclad rifle and them thing there. Now, from what I saw, it seems like a businessman where Bumbleclad have a gun license. He imported the fucking gun them, and she as the police commissioner do her job, sign off on it. It's not an illegal Bumbleclad gun license. So she maybe sign off on the thing, and all of a sudden this lady is thrown into some crazy shit. Now, I'm saying to myself, there's no way Erla can be this Bumbleclad stupid. You understand? Now, yesterday, this information was running through the Bumbleclad internet, dog, saying that they went to her house, which I suspected they did. And at her house, this is how much money they find. 644k US, 150k Canadian, and 4.8 million TT. Now I'm saying to myself, Bumbleclad, I saw Erla roll. But at the same time, remember now, they didn't charge her. So just by law, whatever is in our house, them have to give it back to her. And I am going to assume that she have proof of where the money come from. You understand? Because it seems like Erla is cool and deadly. It seems like that girl there. And she's not a girl, this police commissioner. You ever hear about slow wine? You ever hear about slow wine? That Erla, I give them. Erla give them the slow wine and then back it up on them. Make them know say, you're not a fool. Now, there is a woman named Suzette Martin. She is a big time police underneath the commissioner. For some reason she found out about the sale, the buying of the high-powered rifle, and that the police commissioner had signed off on it. She asked the police commissioner to revoke the license, and the police commissioner said she's not revoking no license. Now, Suzette Martin, DCP, didn't like that. And because of that, she reported to the Prime Minister on a regular basis about Miss Erla and what Miss Erla is doing and this and that, blah blah blah, Asted and co fat. Now, for some reason, she was able to get a branch in the Trinidad and Tobago police service, the intelligence unit, I think, and get a judge. We don't know how they get a judge to sign a warrant to detain the police commissioner and try and question her. For 2 days them questioned this lady and they still didn't come up with anything to charge her. And the reason why I'm saying this, you see that bitch there, DCP Suzette Martin, she want the blood clot commissioner job. And what she did, she built support and she make some of the police them turn mutiny against the police commissioner. Now, Miss Erla, you need to stop being nice to them, you need to be a bumbleclad bitch, pardon my language, and you need to run out on them and make them know, say, you are the police commissioner and you are run bumbleclad things because you see what's going on. That bitch, Suzette Martin, she wants your job. And that's the honest truth. And this is why this police lady is in this bullshit. Now, on another serious note, this sniper rifle where the man them import, the Trinidad police has realized that the SSA, that should be the spy agency in Trinidad, they were mixed up in some nefarious thing, along with the sniper rifle, along with murdering people and all those things. Now, this rifle, the public prosecutor, lawyer, not the director, I guess the assistant director of public prosecution who they killed. And I did a video that said that 6 Dan had the most motive, which I still stand behind that. But the rifle, that sniper rifle that they imported, it was used to kill that prosecutor. And I also heard it was used to kill a member of the SSA team or somebody associated with them that was sitting in a van about 2 years ago. And that's when the SSA saga in Trinidad started turning over. So, on a serious note, this gun that's out there, it has killed 2 people allegedly, and the police knows that. And I think that is what pushing the police them to act like this, along with Suzette Martin. She used this opportunity to jump on Miss Erla. But like me, I tell Miss Erla, if you run out on them with your sniper rifle, baby, you understand? I make them know you're tough as bumbleclad meal, cause I told them, listen, use cool and deadly, slow wine. Now, with that said, who would agree with me that Trinidad is one of the most dangerous country in the bumbleclad world? You do not believe me? Alright, listen to this.
Just so you all know I'm not bluffing, sorry to come back at you all so quick. Mark Hernandez, the DA and Executive Bodyguard Services conducted an elite operation which they use my intelligent network to track down information and location of and whereabouts of somebody. And I'm going to release this so you all know I'm not bluffing. We was the one, and if Mark Hernandez already take him into special branch and SSC and debrief him, we was the one who turned Big Mike into a snitch. We did that together. I will put my life on the line because dying is not what I fear. I fear injustice. We was the one who made Big Mikey get shot. We did that. We didn't protect our asset. This is evidence. Jenny's on the boulevard. When Mikey threatened her, she called me. I called the commissioner, and the commissioner said, boy, forget that. Tomorrow they're going to be good. Today they're gone. And I told her what happened. She pledged to keep it a secret. I'm releasing this first, so all are going to know when all verify that information. That are serious in 7 days. What else I have? I was the mastermind behind with Mark Hernandez and an elite unit within the DA that arrested Mikey. And I will call other people that is involved from a high level to inform for us. And we fail to protect the brother. And I'm saying to you, Mr. St. John, I do apologize. Maybe you know or you didn't know. But I just letting you know. Right? And by the way, Skelly, I know it's you who killed Saki, who ordered Small Brent to do it. And you tell him, don't kill him while my son in the car. Just letting you know now. Right? I just saying. Just a little information. All if you are joking, really solar. Because I'm going to start a talk. And all I know, this is the first time all I hear me talking like this. I and Mark Hernandez. So when all I send all the hitmen, send them. I am not asking for United States protection, British protection. I'm not asking for no protection. I'm laying my life down for justice. We cannot see innocent people get killed, while the people who's going to fix the problem look like the guilty ones, and you're framing her to look like she was being corrupted all along and taking bribe money. Lie. And I'm going to watch me. Everything.
This man right here, he is a Trinidadian karate man with karate competition and do karate, and I heard he turned into a businessman, but his ranting and raving might sound crazy, but I sat there and I listened to this man, what he said, like 10 times. And he made a couple different allegations about himself, because he said he was a part of a SSA kill team. And the SSA did have a kill team that they militarized them, and they had like a hit squad, because that's how the rifle came into play. So this dude might sound crazy, you know, but a lot of the things he's saying make sense. Now about Michael St. John, he said he turned Michael St. John because he had used his info along with some prosecutor. But what was kind of troubling, he said they use a security guard service to prosecute on him. So I am asking myself, do the police department hire security guard to go on raids with them? That wouldn't make sense. What the fuck? So you hear what him say? Michael St. John threatened some young lady, and he in turn acted up on with the SSA and the secret team, arrested Michael St. John. That's the man who got shot in his face, and they saying that it's the 6th crew who did it. He said he was able to turn Michael St. John, and Michael St. John wasn't protected by the government, and that's why he ended up getting shot. I don't know if I believe that part about his story, but like I say, I don't want to make this man out to be like a madman, you know, but that part I don't believe. He also shouted out a couple other names of people who him say no kill other people and call names. But what he also said, he was not afraid, and if people want to come at him, he is like 100% ready. Listen, is this guy a madman or a bad man? And that's all me alone in it, you know, because with these kind of video and these kind of characters coming out of Trinidad are the baddest place in the world right now, in the motherfucking world. Trinidad toxic and miserable, and that's a fact. Listen, my name is Countryman.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.